Hey guys, in today's video, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT for coding assistance and debugging. Now, in the homepage of ChatGPT, all you have to do is to create new chat. Then after that, you need to prompt to ChatGPT the issues you are encountering. Like for example, can you please identify the error in this code and elaborate it precisely? Then you need to paste your code. Now, as you can see, ChatGPT pointed out which line of your code has an error and also suggested of how to fix it and then suggested you the correct version of code. Then after that, you can also ask to ChatGPT like how the code works. Like for example, can you please explain the code line by line, how it works. Then click submit. And there you go. ChatGPT provided us the precise explanation and also why and how it works. So in here, these are the breakdown of the codes. That's all. And if you like this video, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing for more updates.